Dear children, today I am going to start the poem written in March. Open your textbook. Written in March. Who has written this poem written in March? The poet William Wordsworth. William Wordsworth written in the poem March, written in March. He was very good, fond of nature. William Wordsworth is a very fond of nature. He is also known as nature poet. His poem is nature-centric poem. This poem is very good example for nature-centric poem. The poet describes the beauty of the nature. The beauty of the nature. He describes about a springtime. Here the title of the poem. Why the title given March, written in March? The means, you know what is the meaning March? No? March month, the name of month. Here there is another meaning also. March, another meaning, that is changing of spring season. March means, there is another one more meaning also there. March means movements. The soldiers march. Movement of soldiers. And snow, movement of stream. The poem is very good, beautiful poem, very amazing poem. Now we will start the poem. Here they have to learn about the poet. William Wordsworth is an English poet. In this poem, the poet describes the beauty of the nature after the winter. The poem presents the intense happiness of the people. The intense happiness of the people. The bright morning of the village. The routine life of the village. The visualize the symbols of the village. The poet uses all the visual images. Glorify the beauty of the morning, such as birds twittering, and glorify the beauty of the morning. Now we will start the poem. The cock is crowing. Showing sign of what the day has started. You know, early morning, if you have a cock in your house, every day morning it will crowing. This cock is crowing. What is the sign of that? You know, the day has started. The cock is telling through the signal, giving, crowing and telling the day is started. Day begins with the sound of cock. It is indicating rise of a new day. The day begins with the sound of a cock, indicating the rise of a new day. The cock is crowing. The stream is flowing. Stream. What is the meaning? Stream is, in Hindi it is Nehar. But stream is flowing. The small birds twitter. Small birds, you know, early morning birds make sounds, sing songs. So small birds twitter. Twitter means to make sounds. Birds are making sounds early morning. The lake doth glitter. Glitter means shining. Glitter means shining. The lake, what is lake? What is the meaning lake? The lake, what do you know? Jeel, okay? It's a glittering. How it is glittering lake? Because the sun rays, the rays is moving over the lake. The sun moves over the lake. The rays moves over the lake. Then what will happen? The lake will glitter. The green field sleeps in the sun. You know field. Khet. Field is what happened? Sleeps in the sun. Field is sleeping. Green field. The human being will sleep, no? But the lake, the green field sleeps in the sun means it seems like sleeps. It seems like sleeps. Why the sun rise? That time the field that will become straight and slowly it will come together like that sleeping. The poet is comparing that. It's a field is sleeping, seems asleep. The oldest and the youngest are at work with the strongest. Here there is old and young. There is no difference. Small young people and old people all work together. All the people work, old as well as young work together. The cattle are grazing. You know cat is the group of janwar. Cattle are grazing. Grazing means grazing seems to be the grass eating, means eating khate hai, the grass. Grazing means the cattle grazing in the field. But cattle grazing in the field because the season, the spring season, there is full of grass in the cattle grazing, eating very happily. Their heads never rising. While cattle, what happened? The head, while eating, their head will be down. So these cattle not even raising head. And there are 40 feet like one because all the cattle together, 40 means big group of cattle together grazing in the field. They are not even raising head up. Head, all the cattle's head is down and eating. And they are looks like one, means full of concentration. You know, if there is no concentration, only we are looking there and here. If you have concentrate anything, then we will not look there and here. You know, when you are watching videos, watching something through your mobile phone, you never look there and here. Your concentration is full in that things. So we will not look. The same way the cattle also grazing, eating grass, but a full concentration there only. There they are not looking who is going there and here. The next is first answer completed. The next, like an army defeated, the snow hath retreated. Like an army defeated. The snow is comparing with the army. You know, like army defeated. What is the meaning army defeated? Here an army that has lost battle. That's why defeated. When the lost battle, the army what will? They will disappear from there. The same way the snow hath retreated. The snow, when the sun is coming, the sun heat is coming, snow will melt and disappear. So they are comparing snow with a defeated army. Snow also melt and it will go from there. It will not visible, that it will become like a water. And snow doth fare ill. Then what happened on the top of the bare hill? The top of the hill, you know, hillside, hill, then there is empty. There is no snow because snow already melted, and new, the fresh grass, the green grass filled the hills. They looks like a green, okay, full grass filled there, so snow disappeared. The fluff boy is whooping anon. What's the whooping? Because a fluff boy, the boy is fluffy. You know what is the meaning? Fluffer, preparing for a field, no, breaking the field to cultivate the field. The boy is fluffing there. That time what happened? Boy is whooping again and again with joy. The happiness showing that there is joy in the mountains. There is joy in the mountains. There is life in the fountains. Here showing that the loud cry with the happiness. The joy in the mountains. They are all are happy because of the spring season. They are enjoying or flowering, and the sky, everywhere bloom flowers and green color, trees flowering, trees also looking green color. The time of joy and happiness. The boy is shouting, what? Again and again he is shouting with the happiness and the joy, the mountains and the life in the fountain. Everywhere there is life, fresh life, and the people they are working very happy, and the whole place is very beautiful. Small clouds are sailing. You know, clouds are sailing means moving. You know, in the sky, small clouds they are moving. Then what will happen? The blue sky prevailing. The sky will be clear and blue. The cloud will be moving. The rain is over and gone. The rainy season already over and gone. Now spring season is coming. And the days of rain, winter and harsh time are over and gone. So the harsh time, the hard life already gone. Again they are the new life. The new life is coming to enjoy the people in that. They are working in the field and all are happy. Oh, small, big, and animals and trees, grass is growing, tree full of green, flowering, all this enjoy the beauty of the nature. The poet Wordsworth is showing the beauty of the nature, how they are enjoying the spring season. What is the message of this poem? You know, the nature is so beautiful, but the tough time has gone. Their tough time was gone. The nature is so beautiful. People should not lose hope. Go ahead. Should not lose hope. When you will get to the sad time and a tough time, don't lose our hope. You have to go forward. The happy time is waiting for us. Should not be disappointed. So you have to wait with hope. All of you understood the poem. The poem is very good, beautiful and amazing poem. Okay, you enjoyed, I know this poem, you enjoyed very good poem. Here a few examples, grammar part is there. Here the spring, fill in the blanks with the correct form of a verb. There is a small box is there, from that you have to write the suitable answer from this and fill these blanks. Here next one also there. Here is the first verse of another poem with William Wordsworth. Complete the verse with the correct rhyming words from the box. You will not need all the words. Some rhyming verses are there. You have to fill this poem. Now all of you understood the poem. The meaning, doth, Old English word for does. An army defeated an army that has lost a battle. Whooping anon, anon. Here the shouting again, again. Blue sky prevailing. Here the sky is blue. Written in March. The poem completed. You have to study meanings and read poem loudly, meaningfully, and try to understand the poem. Okay. Thank you.